Math expressions, homework and remembering, Unit 8, Lesson 1. This is dealing with metric conversions. Students should have brought home in their blue folder a chart, a metric conversion chart to help them. If they forgot that, you can simply go to Google and you can just search metric conversion chart. If you search this and look at the image, it will show you exactly what the students use in class, and it will be very helpful. So make sure you have that. Let's start with number 11 on the homework side. Number 11, we are working on multi-step word problems and conversions. So a lot of the skills we already have, we're going to be using through the rest of this school year. Now number 11, I told the students the estimation they can just cross out. They don't have to estimate. That's just kind of a random skill that we're not really assessing right now, and it's not too important. We've already done a lot with that. So number 11, Jason ran 325 meters farther than Kim. Kim ran 4 2/10 kilometers. How many meters did Jason run? Estimate to check your answer. Again, you don't have to estimate. I don't want you to estimate. I want you to work on the conversion skill. So the main important thing you'll see is that they're asking you how many meters did Jason run. So we need to make sure all of our units are in meters. They tell us that Jason was running, or he ran 325 meters more than Kim. And we'll just call Kim K for now. Okay? Now, Kim ran 4 2/10 kilometers. The units are different. We have kilometers or kilometers, and we have meters. So we need to have the same unit. And the way we figure out which unit we want to keep is by looking back to the question that they're asking us. And they say, how many meters did Jason run? Therefore, we're going to change km, kilometers, we're going to change that to meters. So we did an acronym in class. King Henry died, and I forgot my H, unexpectedly, and this is our base unit. I'll circle that. Drinking chocolate milk. What this tells us is this is our kilometers, or kilo, hecta, deca, units, and this is decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. So as you go to the right, units get smaller. As you go to the left, they get bigger. So we have kilometers. That's where we're starting. And we need to change it to meters. So we move it 1, 2, 3 spots back to our unit, because the unit measure is meters when we're talking about length. So since we moved it 3 times, we need to take that 4 2/10, that decimal point, and move it 3 times to the right. Just like we did in this King Henry example. We moved it 3 times to the right. Now we add in those zeros, we have 4,200 meters. Now I'm going to continue to think about this problem in number 11. They say, how many meters did Jason run? So this is Kim. Kim ran 4,200 meters. If we look back to the first sentence, it says Jason ran 325 meters farther than Kim. So if Kim ran this, 4,200, then Jason is a little bit farther. He ran 325 meters more. So we need to add We get 4,525 meters. And that's your answer. That's what Jason went. He ran that far, that distance. So your metric conversion chart is so important to use and to have out until you memorize it and can do it without that support. But up to now, we just started, so we need that metric conversion chart to help us. Good luck on the rest of the problems. Have a good night.